I'm going to test the pH of each water. This is Fiji Cool, a very cheap brand. Tap water and Watson. This would be our control because we know that this is distilled, which means it should be exactly not acidic, not alkaline. So we should exactly in the middle because it's distilled water. And we know it's distilled water because we use this little thingy.
Total dissolved solid.
To help ensure that it is distilled water. So there should be 7.5, 7.9, I guess. This would be our control. And then this is my hypothesis. Tap water should be the acidic one. This cheap brand should also be acidic, and this should be alkaline because this is expensive water and it should be good stuff. So this is a pH indicator dye. pH indicator dye. So it turns red when it's acidic and green when it's alkaline. Yeah. And it tells us what pH it falls on. And it's now red, but then when it hits the water, it should turn to a color that would correspond with their pH, and is sort of illustrated on the label. Yeah. So let's start with Fiji. So let's test it out. So 3 drops per bottle, per cup. And then this would be our control, so I should have done this first, but whatever. I think this is right? Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 6.6, which means it's slightly acidic. Very slightly. It's very light yellow, which means it's just slightly acidic. It's weird. Tap water. Just not good. And 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Alright, it's turning a deep blue. It's quite. And here, this is the cheap brand. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's turning
Green is a little
greenish.
bit, yeah.
It's right in between 7 and 7.6, which means it's tiny bit acidic, tiny bit. This blue, which means it's almost exactly perfectly alkaline. This is a darker blue, so it's around 8. So tap water is surprisingly good in Hong Kong. And this Watson is weird. It's a very light yellow, which means it's around a 6.6, which is slightly acidic. Tap water, but just boiled maybe. Alright, so because this Watson was acting weird, it was yellow. That's not normal. It's supposed to be perfectly balanced. We're gonna add another distilled water. It's called Vita, whatever, something like that. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Right.
Not looking good.
Not looking good. Looks exactly the same. This is a deeper yellow. It's around a 6. So this one's around a 6.6, and this is a 6. So this is really. So we want to see how really acidic things react to this pH indicator. So just for fun, we had the soda. It's 7-Up, so it's transparent. It has no discoloration, and it's really acidic because it contains carbon dioxide pumped into it, which makes acid. 1, 2, 6, 6.6. It's really light. Huh. So this one's actually more acidic than Sprite. Huh. That's weird. Okay. Because the soda appeared to be not that acidic, it's just like a 6.6, which is not bad for a soda. I was expecting like a 4, which is really red. So we have something that's definitely acidic. It's called vinegar. And so let's try. It's still just a yellow. Yeah. That's very surprising. That's very surprising, actually. This is some sort of cleaner. It's supposed to be alkaline. Yeah. Let's hope this dye turns it like purple or some weird color. 1, 2. Okay. It's turning. It doesn't belong anywhere.
So what happened actually is that it turned it to be really dark green. Do you notice when you first drop it in, it was super dark green.
Yeah, so.
Super dark green and blue. It's really dark.
But
And then
orange, so
and then because of the bleach function, it will actually gradually turn from this into something almost white, to yellow to white. So we just have to wait later, and then we can take a picture of this.
All right. Yeah.